Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm unboxing for you, not one, but two Goldie Boxed. So Goldie Boxed is a seasonal subscription, and if you subscribe to FabFitFun, then you will recognize Jess from Everything Proof Beauty as being an amazing YouTuber that reviews and breaks down all of the customizations coming in each of the categories. So she created her own subscription box, and I gotta say, this is how time is just passing by. I feel like it's not been that long since she started the subscription, yet it's been 2 years. So that's amazing success for her. I really like her box. I really like her mission. She has a lot of give back brands in the box with stories of how they contribute to the environment or the community or make the world a better place. She herself is making the world a better place by planting a tree for every box sold. So there are so many different things. She's actually reuses packaging. The reason why I have two boxes is there was a little hiccup. This fall box has been very well traveled here to me in Canada. For some reason it got bounced back to her, and then she shipped it with my winter box. So I'm very excited. This fall box honestly feels like it was meant for me. Everything in this box is something that I would have purchased if I was in a store and saw it available. So, oh, how did this happen? This is a surprise. I'm shocked and ecstatic by this being in the box because I really wanted to choose this as one of my customization choices, but it wasn't an option. It was sold out. And I don't even know if I told her that. Somehow she's managed to put this amazing white pumpkin soap in my box. So that is very exciting and a really nice surprise. We have a fun pumpkin spice latte bath bomb here. So I'm not really sure how that happened, other than maybe I did say somewhere that I had really wanted that. I'm not sure. Anyway, the one thing that I really liked about this box is this baseball cap, and let's just go ahead and put it on. I love it. I actually have the perfect hairstyle for this today. I think I'll keep it on for the rest of the video. So this is a really cute hat, and it came in 2 different colors. You could have got it in the black or in the beige. So I would have loved to have got one in each color, and I wouldn't be surprised if maybe I go back and shop the store that she has online to get another one of these, because I really do love that, and I think I'm actually even just gonna maybe wear it today. I love that little smiley face. Smile design, ponytail friendly, ACK, $19.99 for the baseball cap in black or khaki. So that was the first thing that really drew me to the box. Next out of the box, this is so exciting. I love this glass. The style of glass is so cute. I love the shape, I love the rim, I love pumpkins and the gold. Everything about it is just beautiful. This is the creator that made the glass, must be the pumpkin part. And I'm a big proponent of water. I drink a lot of water, and that's pretty much all I drink. So every time I see all these beautiful mugs and wine glasses or any number of different fancy cups for nice drinks, I'm always jealous. So I thought, there's a perfect cup. It's a perfect water glass. So that's what I'm going to use that for. And let's see, it's nice that we have this guide with all of the prices for everything. So that is Coffee and Goodreads, $19 glass. The thing I love about this box is it comes with 10 items because you get to choose and customize 7 of your own choices, and then she adds on 3 bonus items for each level of gold bear, silver bear, bronze bear. I'm the gold bear, so I get all 3. Here's another thing that I was ecstatic to see in the box. So I really love wearing green eyeshadow or green eye pencils. I have like these eye pencil shadow sticks from Sephora, and they stopped carrying my green. It was this color green right here, like probably this color green. It was shimmery, it was beautiful, and they've stopped making it. So I was so disappointed. So I've been looking for, since then, eyeshadows that can help to replace that. And there is this palette. I love this shimmery one there, and I could see pairing it with that green one there. The mustard yellow, and these two, like with that shimmer there. Okay, so the next thing that I chose for my box is this gratitude journal. And if you know me, and my channel is a paper channel, I love books, journals, anything to do with paper. So this is from Habit Nest, and it's like a self-guided journal with all sorts of prompts to help you be grateful for each day. And that's something that I find great value in, so I was happy to pick that up. And the price for that is $28.90. It says a daily science-based journal for gratitude. There was also a sleep one as well. Apple Cinnamon, this beautiful candle by River Birch. And the value of the candle is $15. I didn't pick the most expensive things. There were lots of expensive items that I didn't choose, but I chose things that were the best for me. And this is Paris Loft, $19. So if you know me with my paper crafting, I thought this would be a perfect opportunity for me to create some sort of a paper card or whatnot, and then just use this as a way to display it because it has that magnet on there. I'm trying to see if I have anything on my display that, this is such a strong magnet, I bet it'll hold up this whole plastic bag. So there's something like a little shaker pocket there, and it holds that really well. So you can put that out like for Valentine's Day. Love that. Then the last item that I chose in my customizations is this Bella Pierre $40 brush travel set. And this is what that looks like. And it's always handy to have more brushes. I didn't actually pick it specifically for travel, although that will be a nice feature of it. But I just thought it would be nice to have a compact, space-saving little set of brushes to add to my current stash. And there's 5 different brushes in there. 2 big brushes like the one I showed you, and then 3 small eye brushes. So that's great for the $40 value. And it comes with a little pouch as well there that you could put things in. So that's nice. So that's everything that I chose, and some things that I didn't choose. So she just added this one in as a bonus. That's 8. The Gold Bear bonus was the pumpkin spice latte bomb, so that's 9. The Bronze Bear bonus was this trio, which is just fantastic, of liner and mascara and an eyebrow pencil. Amazing. And then the Silver Bear bonus which is so cute. And I was actually really looking forward to seeing which colors I got. There were so many beautiful colors, and I love that these are well coordinated together. These are like the unpaper towel, and I think these will be a perfect thing to put in my purse. You know, when you're driving sometimes and I don't know, something happens, one of the kids needs something to wipe their hands. That is so cute. Oh my gosh, I haven't seen that one yet. With wildflower, bumblebees, and butterflies. Sometimes the kids just need something quick to wipe up a spill or clean off their hands. So it'll be nice to have that. I'm gonna throw these like in my purse, one in my purse, one in my car, and then have that there. So that is unboxing number 1. So now we get the excitement of unboxing my winter box as well. So this box, I'm trying to remember all the things. Oh yes, okay. Oh, I think I'll wear this right now. One of the choices, actually speaking of the fall box, that didn't make it in time for those in the fall box, she gave it as an option for us for the winter box. And I think I'm going to put that on and wear that today. Let's see if we can even put it on over top of here. Super cute. I really like that. So I picked that. I love the way that it picks up the light and it really sparkles and shines. So some people waited for it in their fall box. I was lucky enough to actually just be able to pick it for my winter box. So that was great. So some of the other things that I picked for my box is this moisturizer. I'll go through this quicker. This Soon Pumpkin Enzyme Resurface Mask. So the Soon is a very popular, expensive brand. I know I've seen a lot of people really like, and this sounded like an interesting lotion. I trust Jess's opinion in picking out skincare products. That's how I found out about her to begin with. She has a really good sense for products that are cruelty-free, that are natural, that work well, do what they say that they're supposed to do. I also, oh my gosh, I didn't realize that. I also got these gloves. I was away this winter in another wintry city, and it was a beautiful light display. It's called Bentleyville. There were 5 million lights. We had to breeze through it. It was so cold out. Well, I was dressed warm enough. One of my children was not. And I love this little deer on there. So these fit great. This will be really quite nice. They're very thick, very warm, and appropriate enough for our Canadian climate here. So that's those. Oh, I also picked out some more jewelry. Maybe we should put this on too. Here, we'll put it on one of the smaller settings, and then you can actually see it right through, peeking out right there. So cute. Look at that. And I go to work, new bracelet, new hat, new necklace. That's cute. Okay. The fun never ends. This is one of my top 10 FabFitFun finds. It is something that I will never go without again. The makeup eraser. I've got a number of them in pink. They're all in pink. And these are travel sized ones, although like perfect one use size, and you could probably flip it around and use the other side for a second day. But I find these a wonderful alternative to makeup wipes. They're really great at getting eye makeup off. I use them literally every day. That's one product that I never would have discovered. I never even heard of these before they came in my other subscription box. So I was really happy when these were an option in this box, because it just adds more to my rotation and allows me to always have them available for washing. So that's good. And then the last product that I chose in this box is the eye mask, the pillow eye mask. And this was maybe my last choice. I do love a good eye mask because the light is really what wakes me up. Let's just put it on and see. Oh yeah. I can actually usually see light even when I'm wearing an eye mask. Like I can tell when the lights go on and off. So this feels good. It's hard to know for sure if it's actually a good eye mask or not, but I'll give that a try. It's supposed to be really comfortable. And then the bonus items in this box were 3 different things. So the Bronze Bear bonus was this towel set, which I'm really happy about. I was surprised that this was the Bronze Bear bonus. This seemed like the Gold Bear bonus. I'm happy it's the bronze because that just means everyone will get one. So yay for everyone, because the value on this, like if this was one of the customization choices in my box, I would have chose this. This is so cute. What makes you different makes you beautiful. And then just a plain black dish towel, and then a swan one. And as you can see from the kitchen behind you, this is a perfect match for my kitchen. Everything is black and white. So fantastic, love that. And then the Silver Bear bonus was this little scarf. What else can I put on? Can I put the scarf on too? Thank you. This little scarf could be worn around your neck, tied around a bag. It's actually really quite cute. It's much cuter than originally when I just saw a picture of it. Super cute. I will probably tie it on my little black backpack purse. So, but should I add it to the ensemble? Like all kinds of layers and all kinds of interesting here. So that was the Silver Bear bonus, and then the Gold Bear bonus were these stickers, Stay Wild and Sunset or Sunrise? Sunrise, I guess. Anyway, so these items are made out of bamboo, and they are the Gold Bear bonus. So anyways, I'll leave links down below if you're interested. This box, because I'm in Canada, costs me about $100 Canadian by the time I pay exchange, taxes, duty, everything. So if you're interested in that, I'll leave the links down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again next time.